In this video we are going to see logical operators. So what are logical operators we have means? So let us understand this by a general example. Let us understand by generally. For a work, you and your friend must. So what means you and your friend must means you both should include in this work. So it is like a all should true. Okay, let us consider like this only. All should present. Okay, all should present or all should true. When I place or means like you or your friend must means any one of you, anyone present means like anyone true means the work will forward. Okay, so anyone should present. You or your friend, both should present also, no problem. You for a work, let us take like this, like you not means in this case your friend must attend. You not means the answer will be your friend, right? Your friend not means what the answer you. Okay, your friend not means it is you means it will give the opposite values. It will give opposite value. Right? This is a general way of explanation. Let us go by the theoretically. Now, first point, logical and is a binary operator. Logical and is a binary operator because for operation it takes minimum two inputs. Like you will accept, I will show you what the minimum two inputs. I will show you. Same logical or also is a binary operator. Just now we have seen for this work you and your friend must, or you or your friend must, like this minimum two inputs. When it comes to logical not, you not means your friend. What then? How many inputs you are taking? You are taking one input. Here you are taking one and two inputs, right? So these are the binary operator. This is a unary operator. So requires only one input. Okay. I think I cleared the point why it is called binary operator and why it is called unary operator. And what the values it going to accept means this all accepts. Second point, this all accepts boolean values as input. Boolean values as input and gives boolean value as output. Okay, like it will accept true or false and it will process. It will process like we have doing some operation, process nothing but we are doing some operation and it will generate a true or false value. Okay, so this is the input section and this is the output section. Okay, I have cleared some points for you. Let us move what is the how the AND is going to work, how the OR is going to work. Just now we have seen and you and your friend must means all should true. You or your friend must, anyone should true or all should true, also no problem. Okay, same thing, same general example let us apply over here. So now let us design a truth table. Okay, truth tables are more important for this. This is for AND, this is for OR, this is for NOT operation. Let us do a NOT operation separately. Let us do NOT operation over here. Okay, so basically AND operator accepts two inputs, minimum two inputs. Okay, let it be input 1 let it be input 2 and this is the output. Okay, like input 1 and input 2. Here input 1 and input 1 or input 2 are false. You and your friend and are absent, means the work will won't forward, so it is a false, right? You and your friend are absent, okay, the work will won't done. Now you absent, your friend is present, like you and your friend, let us take here only, your friend is present, okay, you and your friend must means both should present, so one is absent means the work will won't forward, and you are your friend, it is like one is present, so it will be true. Nothing but the operation, how it is going to forward means and will do product operation, like and will do product operation or will do plus operation. So for truth table, consider true as 1 and consider false as 0. Okay, this is another way of doing the truth tables. Okay, 0, like 0 and 0 and 0 false, 0 plus 0 it will be a 0, right? 0 into 0 it will be a 0, 0 plus 1 it will be a 1. Okay, now let us take you are present, your friend is absent, so both should present, na? Like 1 into 0 it will be a 0, like false. You present, so work will be forward, like it will be a true. So now let us consider fourth case, all are present, like you and your friend is present, so 1 into 1 it will be the 1, like you and your friend came means the work will be forwarded, and here both are present, so you are your friend, right? Okay, you are your friend, both are present means okay, the work will also forward, like 1 plus 1 not 2, it is also a 1, nothing but a true value. Okay, now when it comes to the not operator, when it will take a true value, like for input it will give the output as false, for a false it will give the output as true, it will give the opposite value, like it will generate a opposite value. Okay, I think you got the idea on the truth tables, how the operation is going to work. If it is a 3 inputs means, so for 3 inputs and will do what operation? It will do a product operation. So it is like a input 1 into input 2 into input 3, all should true, for a true value all should true, then it will give the output as true. For a OR operator it is a plus operator, right? So you need to do the plus work over here. Okay, same values, so anyone should true, then it will give the output as true, right? So for n number of inputs same thing will apply, similarly for n number of inputs. I think I have cleared all the thing regarding the logical operator. This is all about the theoretical part. Okay, let us move into the practical. I forgot to explain the syntax. For AND you need to use, let us change the color here, you need to use double AND symbol like this. Okay, for OR you need to use double pipeline. Okay, and for a NOT you need to use exclamation mark. This is the syntax of logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT. And will operate and will accept minimum 2 inputs, right? It will accept only boolean values. To generate boolean values we need to go for either boolean or we can go for the relation operators. Let us do like this. is 4 greater than or equals to 3? Let's do like this. What will the output? Obviously it will be the true. Let us run once. So it will generate the output as true. Okay, true. For AND we need to go for the double AND operators like this. You need to go with the double ampersand symbol like this, and I will give here a true. Okay, what will be the output? True and true. What will be the 1 into 1 will be the 1, right? See here, the last one, true into true. What will be the output? It will be obviously true. So it is crossing. Okay, I'm changing it to the false. Then we can say when I run here, obviously the output will be the false. Okay, let us wait for the output. Okay, you can see when I change it to OR operator like pipeline symbol, you can see it is after of the curly bracket symbol. After this key, you can find the this symbol, like you will see a backward slash as well as a pipeline symbol like this. When I run here, true or false, right? True or false means true or false means this is the third case. You can say the output will be the true. When I run here, obviously the output will be the true. Here you can go with the multiple operators, right? Here I am closing with this, and I am giving here one more. Let us go with the AND operator. Here I am giving is 5 less than 6, like this I am giving. So here this generates a like true or false. It will be a true, and this is also true. True and true, the output will be the true, right? This is the for multiple logical operators, the program with the multiple logical operators. Okay, I think you got the idea on this. Do some experiments. Now I will move into the question. Like for a company need drivers. Okay, required criteria is should know driving. Okay, driving is must for a drivers, right? So should know driving, above 18 plus, should be above 18 plus, and license is optional. So what the parameters the question given? Should know driving. Okay, so generate here true or false value, like I will show you in the depth manner in the program section. First input is driving, second input is should is 18 plus or not. Okay, above 18 or not. Let us check by using a value, like let us take a value here, this value greater than 18 or not. So this will generate a one value. Okay, that is also true or false. Okay, license optional. Let us check for license. License is there or not. Is license there means this all criteria comes under license only, right? Let us take this is also a true and false value. Okay, what the logic is? Logic is not simple. Driving and above 18 plus is mandatory, right? Above 18 is mandatory, and here optional is license. Okay, so either you need to combo these two or you need to have a license, right? Let us frame the logic. Let us write a logic for let us write the program for this. So all you need is you need to import the scanner. Okay, first statement for scanner is java.util.scanner. So do by scanners only. Okay, for such type of questions you need to go with the scanners, right? Scanner sc equals to new scanner. In the brackets of scanner you need to throw the values like system.in. Let us, this is the gap over here. Here what are the parameters we have? Let's extend some more. Here let's take driving. Let us give the indication first. The system.out.println only and indicating place over here. Do you know driving? give true or false, right? True or false, like this I am asking. Now the entered value I am taking by one boolean value. This is a boolean value, right? True or false, nothing but a boolean value. Driving equals to sc dot next boolean, right? I have explained this in the first video only. Now similarly, same thing I am copying. Enter your age. Enter your age, right? This is a integer value. Let's take age variable only. Age equals to sc dot next int. Okay. Now let us try the condition for this. Above 18 or not. Above 18 will generate a true or false value. Like above 18 or not, which is equals to is age greater than 18 or not. So this will give the output as true and false only, right? Let us take for the let's take for is license. Are you holding license or not? Let us ask like that. The value I am going to store inside the license variable, right? It is a boolean value. It is equals to sc dot next boolean and close it. Now what is the condition? Let us know all this thing. So either you should know, either you should with the driving, you should know driving, and should above 18, okay, or you should hold the driving license. When I run it, here in the output section, let us say check for the errors. Says there is no errors. Do you know driving? Give true or false. Yes, I know driving. When I press enter, enter your age. Let us give ages. I am 25. When I press enter, are you holding license or not? Give true or false value. Since let us give, let I am giving true. See here, true. Okay. Eligibility is true. Since if you want any message in the output, we need to go with the value like this. So give here eligibility. Okay. When I run here, is any errors? Yes. We need to wrap with the this thing, like we need to wrap with the brackets. So when I run here, do you know driving? Let it be true. When I press enter, enter your age, let it be 21. Are you holding the license? Let us give a false value. When I press enter, eligibility is true. So this is how our code is going to work. So this is the company people will ask the questions, will frame the questions.